Hi, welcome back. I'm Monica, and today in this video you will learn how you can add the contributor inside your Jira Product Discovery project. What are the contributors? Actually, contributors are the free users and they play a very important role inside your Jira Product Discovery project because they play an important role by offering comments, insights, and valuable feedbacks that will definitely help you to shape your idea. In one of my videos, I have already explained the users roles in the Jira Product Discovery. If you haven't watched that video, then I will mention the link in the description. You can go and check it out and to understand what kind of roles we have inside the Jira Product Discovery. I have already explained what is the difference between the different roles inside the Jira Product Discovery, but in this video I will explain what a contributor can do inside the Jira Product Discovery. Come here, and in this particular difference you can learn what the contributor can do. As I already explained, these will be the free users. Contributor just need a free Atlassian account and they can open the views, they can add comments, insights, votes and creations. This is why they play an important role, because they can directly add the comments, they can add the insights, they can give the vote and reactions to your idea. They can create the ideas. They can only create the idea if, as a creator or admin, you are giving the permission to the contributors to create the ideas. They cannot edit the idea, even they can't create and edit the fields and views, and they cannot administrate the project. So this is my Jira Product Discovery project. When you will come to the project setting here and click on the axis, then this is the place where you will manage the people inside your JPD project. Before adding any of the contributor inside this particular section, as an admin you have to go to the gear icon, then click on the user management and click on a particular user. Right now I am using this particular user here in this video, and here she doesn't have the access of the Jira Product Discovery. Now what will happen if admin doesn't provide the access or doesn't add this particular user inside the contributor group, and if I will come here and try to add this particular user as a contributor, let's suppose I will add as a contributor, I will click on add, then Atlassian will give me this particular error. To access this project, this site admin should add this particular user to the contributor group. So this is one of the way. The admin will come here and then they will click on add group. They will select Jira Product Discovery contributor, just add and add to the group. When you will add this particular user inside the Jira Product Discovery contributor group, then this user can be added as a contributor inside the JPD project. Now come here and just remove this particular user again and then add. Now give the contributor role and click on add. Now this user have a access as a contributor inside this particular project, and this user also has the product access as a contributor. So this is the one way to add the contributor inside your JPD. The second way is, let's suppose this particular user is not the part of even the Jira Product Discovery contributor user. Now what I will do, I will remove her from here as of now, and then I will come here and I will remove this particular group from here. Now you cannot add this particular user as a contributor here inside the project, because it will give the same particular error that I have just shown you. Now again I will come here, and what happened in the Jira Product Discovery, if this particular user have a license of maybe Jira Service Management or the Jira Work Management, then this user will be automatically in the contributor role. So here we can see the demo. Let's suppose I will give this user to access of Jira but not the Jira Product Discovery, and here this user also not the part of the Jira Product Discovery contributor group. But when you will come here and add this user as a contributor, then she will be here as a contributor. So if a user inside your instance has the access of maybe Jira Service Management or Jira Work Management, then they will be in a contributor role. By default, you can simply just go to the JPD project and add them as a contributor. Now after adding the contributor inside your JPD project, we will go and see how you can give the permission to the contributor to create the idea inside your JPD project. You will go here in the feature and then click on the create ideas. You will find the option here, allow contributors to create the idea. If you do not want, you can disable it, but if you want to give the permission to the contributor to create the idea inside your JPD, then you can allow them by enabling this. This is the default form that will be shown to the contributors at the time of the idea creation. If you want to change it, then you will find the list of your views here. So you can go, let's suppose you want to show this one, then this particular fields will be there. And if you want to design your own form, then what you have to do, you will go back to the views, you will create a new view here. Maybe you want to create any kind of view, and then again you can come here in the project setting, go to the feature, create ideas, and you can select your views here. This is how you can design this form accordingly, because you can read here, we will use the fields and filters in the view to create the idea creation form. So you can design your views, you can add the fields, and then you can choose that particular view as a form here to show the contributors to create the idea. This is the way you can add the contributors inside your Jira Product Discovery project. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.